Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel.
Jeevan's Food World.
If you're new here, please press the subscribe button, and if you like our videos, please press the like button. And today we're going to make,
Chicken tikka masala.
so let us begin. For making chicken tikka masala, first we would need to prepare chicken tikkas, and then we would need to prepare the makhani sauce, and then simmer the tikkas in the makhani sauce. So let us begin. For making chicken tikka masala, I have taken 500 grams of chicken. Then this is a curry cut chicken which I have brined it overnight. And then for the masalas for making chicken tikka, I have taken 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of jeera powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon chaat masala powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon of kasuri methi. So let us start the process by marinating the chicken. For marination, I have taken half liter curd which I have hung overnight, and I've got cheese-like mixture like this. And to this we are going to add some grated cheese. Jeevan, can you grate the cheese for me? Make sure you don't cut your fingers. To this mixture, we are going to add the powdered masalas. So first goes in the red chili powder. Okay. So we're going to add all the powdered masalas in here and then mix it properly. Okay, now we're going to add little oil here, which will be it will become easy for us to marinate the chicken. So I've added like 2 teaspoons of oil, and we have to mix it properly. And to this mixture, we can add some lime juice. Okay, so we can add a little lime juice here. So this will be about 1 teaspoon of lime juice. And then we have to mix it properly. You can also add a little water here to make it as a nice mixture. For making the makhani sauce, I have taken some ilachis. It should be about 5 ilachis, 1 badi ilachi, some garlic, be 2 teaspoons of garlic, 2 slices of ginger, and I have taken 2 onions and cut them roughly like this, some bay leaves, and red chilies according to your taste. I have taken 2 tomatoes and I've cut them roughly, and I have chopped some onions here. This is 1 onion which is chopped, and some chopped tomatoes and some chopped garlic. So let's begin the process. So for making makhani sauce, I've taken a pan and I've added 2 tablespoons of oil in it. So we need to wait until the oil gets hotter, and then we're going to add our masalas in it. So to begin with, I have taken these cardamoms, green cardamoms and black cardamom. I have added the green and black cardamom into the pan. Just saute it for a little bit, and then we're going to add the other masalas. So here are some bay leaves. Add this bay leaves, just stir it properly, and then we also have this red chilies which I've taken. Just put this in and just keep stirring it. And to this, I'm also going to add some cashew nuts. So these are some handful of cashew nuts which I've taken. A little more. Yeah, my son likes cashew nuts very much, so I've taken a little more of cashew nuts. Just keep stirring it. And to this, we're going to add the onions, garlic, and ginger. All of them together. Keep stirring it for a little bit. We shouldn't brown the onions. Just toss it a little bit till it changes color. I'm going to add the sliced, roughly cut tomatoes. Let it cook for a little bit. To this we can also add some coriander leaves. Cook this mixture for 2 to 3 minutes, and then we're going to add water and bring it to boil. So to this mixture we're going to add some salt. So you can add some salt, how much ever you require for taste. Stirring this a little bit. Make sure that the tomatoes are a little soft. And then we're going to add the water and bring it to boil. Okay, so now we can see that the tomatoes are becoming a little soft, and to this we're going to add some water and bring it to boil. So I've added like half cup of water here. If you need more of gravy, then you can add some more water. Okay, we're going to close this and cook this for a little time. Okay, so for preparing chicken tikkas, we can either prepare it on the tawa, we can prepare it in microwave. Now here I have an air fryer and I'm preparing the chicken tikka for the first time in the air fryer. Right, so let us see how it's going to work out. So I have our marinated chicken here, which I had marinated and kept it in the fridge for half an hour. So first we're going to apply some oil here. And then we're going to put those chicken pieces. Make sure that the chicken pieces are properly coated with the marinade. And if you have some marinade left over, you don't have to worry about it. We can use them in the gravy. So I have put the chicken in this pan, and then we're going to brush this chicken pieces with some oil. That would be fine. Now this goes into the air fryer. Since I have this chicken tikka which I've made using air fryer. Okay, and let us check out the sauce. So previously we had boiled the tomatoes and rest of the ingredients, and this is how right now the gravy looks like. Now we're going to grind this. Ground this masala to the nice paste. Now we're going to prepare a small base gravy, and then we're going to simmer the tikkas in that gravy. So I've added some oil here. It's the same oil that we used to base the chicken tikkas. So this would be around 2 tablespoons of oil. So we're going to heat this oil, and then we have to prepare the base gravy. Okay. When the oil is hot, we're going to add some garlic and saute it for a minute. Now we're going to add some onions and saute these onions as well. This mixture we're going to add 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste and saute the ginger garlic paste until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste evaporates. Now this is almost ready. Now we're going to add the chopped tomatoes. Give it a little stir. And we're going to cook this till the tomatoes dissolves completely in this onion gravy. I'm going to cover and cook this for a little while. Okay, so the tomatoes are completely dissolved in this onion gravy. Now we're going to simmer the flame, and we're going to add some powdered masalas in it. So let's add 1 spoon of red chili powder, little turmeric powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of garam masala powder, half teaspoon of kasuri methi. Let's mix this properly. Let's cook for 1 minute. To this we're going to add some water. So little bit, so that we don't burn any of these masalas. Let's cook this masalas for 1 minute. Add the powdered paste that we prepared. Add the powdered paste that we prepared. So to this mixture, we are adding the chicken tikkas. Ensure that the chicken tikkas are coated with this masala. Now we're going to add little water here. That's it. Give it a little stir. We're going to close the lid and we're going to cook it for some time. Chicken tikka masala is now ready. It's looking delicious. Let us check out on how it tastes. Jeevan, can you taste this and tell me how it tastes?
It tastes amazing.
Wow. Joanne, can you try that?
It tastes amazing.
Wow, thank you. So guys, try this out and you would really like this recipe. And if you like this recipe, please click on the like button. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Please try this at home.